Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. We're going to go through these keywords, and we're going to also have a look at Creative Fabrica to see if there is any interiors that will help us create these books and help them sell better. Now, if you are not familiar with Creative Fabrica, it is my go-to when it comes to KDP keywords, as well as KDP interiors and graphics, everything that you need to start your KDP business. I have also included a 30-day free trial to an all-access Creative Fabrica account if you're not yet subscribed, and I have also included a 30-day free trial to Canva Pro to help you get started editing these interiors and creating your KDP books. Now, let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and we are using 4 profitable Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords. The first keyword for the day is Checkbook Register Notebook. Checkbook Register Notebook has a keyword niche score of 46 and a total results below 1000, and it is currently sitting at 271 being the total results. Also, the bestseller rank is ideal. It is around 300,000 and it averages 354,194. We've got the average reviews of 594, as well as the keyword niche score given by our second Chrome extension that we're using, which is Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, and it gives us a wonderful keyword niche score number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. And Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension has a keyword niche score between 1 to 9, 9 being the highest, so I'm pretty happy with number 7, and it beautifully complements the 46 given by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. Now, this is a wonderful notebook type keyword, which is quite rare to come across because of the oversaturation of most of the notebook niches in Amazon KDP, which is great that we came across this keyword. All the analytics data prove that this is profitable, but we need to understand, in order to really stand out, we need to go beyond, above and beyond creating just a notebook checkbook register style. We need to provide value. We need to see what we are dealing with as well. Now, the majority of books selling under this are more FBA style books, but there are ones that are specifically independently published, such as this one right here, as you can see. So there is a chance for us to rank our independently published book under this niche. Now, let's go ahead and just copy and paste these, head over to Creative Fabrica and see if we can find any sort of interiors that allow us to know what we are creating about. So first of all, we are left with 41 results when we searched checkbook register, and I'm going to go ahead and filter these according to category KDP interiors, and we are left with 36 KDP interiors that we can use. So there's a couple of templates, a total of 36 templates for this keyword, which leaves us with plenty of space to check and compare each of the main templates, see what we're looking for, add in as much detail as we can in order to provide the customer more of a logbook style notebook, and also maybe a something that we could go and provide extra value and be different is maybe provide a sheet that for example, tells the user how to properly register their checkbook, how to properly fill in the pages, and also another sheet. So the first sheet would be how to use, the second sheet would be a copy of one of the examples of the sheets already filled in. So, we get to provide the customer a practical visual style of how the sheets are to be filled. Another thing is it's revolving around the budget finance theme. We could also provide some maybe advice, some motivational quotes regarding these kind of things, something to stand out. Whatever, look, it kind of does depend. If we are creating a checkbook register notebook for a business style that's more of a practical kind of auto kind of business, or office type of business where it's just very direct, practical, to the point, then we would create a notebook where it's just actual logbook style, page after page. But if we're creating more for kind of a fancy niche, we can also kind of really niche down to, for example, beauty, fitness, hairdressing type of niches as well, then we can go above and beyond and provide that extra value in terms of maybe finance strategies, maybe business strategies as well, a little bit here and there. We could also provide some motivational quotes, or we can also make the visual element, the style, make it more fancy, maybe add in a little bit of florals here and there, to add in the artistic element to it. But if we're dealing with a kind of a mechanical auto style business where it's like straight to the point, let's go, then we don't need to pay too much attention to the visual aspects and the elements here and there. We just need to make sure that the checkbook register is as accurate and as to the point as possible. So, be mindful. You can also niche down based on the specific businesses that you want to deal with. That'll really help you to cut down through the bestseller rank as well. So let's have a look at the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is 2024 financial planner, and the keyword niche score is 47 by Self-Publishing Titans. We also have the total results sitting below 1000, and total results are 797, and with the average bestseller is also below 300,000, which is ideal, and the average bestseller rank for this keyword is 136,519. We also have the average reviews of 1,387. This data is great, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro and stick with this data over here. First of all, total results are below 1000, ideal. Average bestseller is below 300,000, which indicates that a lot of books are selling, despite the fact that we are now, as of publishing this video, which is the 21st of July, as of making this video, we are now midway, even more than midway through to 2003. So there's maybe a couple of months left for 2024, yet books under 2024 financial planner are still selling. So now is the best time to start 2024 niches as of watching this video. So it's around that best time to start. Your book will take about 3-4 months to really rank and bring in sales and get traction as well, especially if you're not doing any sort of external ads or external free promotional methods as well, and you're fully depending on Amazon, then it will take about 2 to 3 months to rank. So now is the best time to get started with creating books for 2024, such as this keyword right here, 2024 financial planner. A lot of books are selling, mostly FBA, but still there are books selling under the independently published books as well that are fully by Amazon KDP. So get started. There are also some beautiful templates available at Creative Fabrica, which you'll be able to see as we are having a search together right now. So just go ahead and search that exact same keyword. My apologies, we do have the holidays right here at the moment right now, so if you do notice any of the children's voices, my apologies for that. So there are a total of 20 results. I'm going to go ahead and filter, and we will be left with a total of 18 KDP interiors for the keyword 2024 financial planner. As you can tell, really in-depth, intensive, structured financial planners specifically for 2024 as well. And some creators have even gone through the trouble or the detail orientated of actually including the holidays for 2024 and customized data for the year 2024. So get on top of this keyword, make advantage of it, and you can also stand out among the crowd by making a really good financial planner, also niching down based on the career, the gender, the age as well, based on a couple of other different elements. You could also combine it with a budget financial planner as well. A lot of space to really niche down. The third keyword is nursing, pharmacology, notebook. Nursing pharmacology notebook has a keyword niche score of 41, which is amazing, and it also has a keyword niche score of number 9, the highest that you can get by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which categorizes this as a great niche. Also, the total results are 552, which are below 1000, and also the bestseller rank, although it is quite high, yet I'm still happy with that because this is a notebook style niche, and it's quite rare, as I've explained previously, to come across a notebook pure notebook theme keyword that has this data attached to it, and quite a good keywords niche score that I'm happy with. So I'm personally going to go ahead and create a book or two about this. The only thing I wouldn't create more than 2-3 books on this keyword is because of the bestseller rank. I'd ideally want it to be 300 to 400,000, around that would be preferable. So for this case, I'm not going to go ahead and completely ignore this keyword because of the lovely data that we have right here and a confirmation by the second Chrome extension that we're using. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of this. I'd highly advise you to do the same as well. You could also niche down for men, for women, for different kind of, or like different kinds of, for example, a nursing pharmacology watercolor notebook, floral notebook, boho notebook, like as in the styles as well, such as this one. This one's more of a floral type notebook. And there are some interiors available at Creative Fabrica that you can go ahead and have a look and to see what are the results for that. So nursing pharmacology notebook, let's see, we've got a total of 19 results. This one's more of an in-depth, actual like laid out sheet by sheet notebook. We also have a couple of other ones as well, a total of 18 KDP interiors for this keyword. Highly recommend you get on top of it ASAP. So that was a third keyword, nursing pharmacology notebook with a keyword niche score of 9, green light.